Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the best Baomosi Women's Nursing Bra. Designed specifically for breastfeeding moms who want comfort, support, and style all in one package. The Baomosi Nursing Bra is a seamless, wireless bra that offers full coverage and everyday support, making it a favorite choice for many nursing and pregnant women. Crafted with a blend of 92% nylon and 8% spandex, this bra provides a buttery soft fabric that stretches to comfortably fit changing body shapes throughout pregnancy and nursing. The seamless construction means it sits smoothly under clothing without any visible lines, giving you a discreet and polished look no matter what you wear. One of the standout features of this nursing bra is its convenient clip-down design. With easy one-hand access and discreet nursing clips, it allows quick and effortless breastfeeding without the hassle of removing the entire bra. This feature is a game-changer for busy moms who want to feed their babies comfortably and efficiently, anytime and anywhere. The bra also comes with removable molded foam cups, giving you the versatility to adjust the level of padding or remove them completely for washing or cooling off. This design supports your breasts gently but firmly, while the side-widening and stretchy ribbed gore band accommodate natural bust fluctuations that nursing moms experience. Adjustability is key for a good nursing bra, and Baomosi delivers on this front with fully adjustable shoulder straps and a hook and eye closure at the back, allowing you to customize the fit as your body changes. The fabric is breathable, promoting comfort even during long wear, and the wire-free design ensures no discomfort or poking, which can be common with traditional bras. Available in a range of colors including black, white, gray, green, dark red, and pink, the Baomosi Nursing Bra also caters to different size needs, from small to XX large, covering a broad spectrum of cup sizes. For expecting or nursing moms, it's recommended to choose one size larger than usual to ensure a perfect fit. Whether you're at home, out and about, or at work, this nursing bra provides a reliable blend of support, comfort, and convenience. Its seamless and soft fabric combined with functional nursing features make it ideal for everyday wear during pregnancy and breastfeeding. If you're looking for a nursing bra that adapts to your body's needs, offers easy breastfeeding access, and remains virtually invisible under your clothes, the Baomosi Women's Nursing Bra is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more honest product insights.